Class. Today we talk about how can you disable allow people to follow you on your Reddit app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, so you just go here, you go above your photo profile, just click on it. So when you click on your photo profile here, it's going to show for you, sorry. When you click on it, it's going to show for you a list like this. You click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on account settings here. Then you go down, just keep going down until you will find allow people to follow you. Clicking this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean allow people to follow you. Disable with us now. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.